How to add zoom and effect in Canva for beginners, 2026. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you one of the most satisfying effects you can create in Canva in literally under 2 minutes, the zoom effect. No plugins, no third-party tools, just pure Canva magic. Let's get into it. Setting up your workspace. First things first, open Canva on your laptop or desktop. On the homepage, click on Video, and then select Video Landscape to open a fresh blank editing workspace. This is where all the magic is going to happen, so get comfortable because this trick is going to completely change how your videos look. Finding your video clip, now head over to the Elements tab on the left sidebar. In the search bar, type whatever vibe you are going for: mountain, city, ocean, waves, forest, whatever fits your project. When the results load, make sure you tap on the videos category specifically so you're only seeing video clips and not images. Browse through and pick one that catches your eye. Click on it to drop it onto your canvas, and resize it to fill the entire frame edge to edge. The split trick here is where the zoom effect actually happens, and this is the part most people do not know about. Right-click on your video clip and hit split. This slices your video into two separate sections. You can split it anywhere you want, at the beginning, the middle, wherever you want the zoom to kick in. Think of it like cutting a film reel at the exact moment you want the camera to push in. Creating the zoom illusion, now select that second clip, the one after your split point. Double-click on it and you will see a blue border appear around the video. This means you are now editing inside that specific clip. Slowly drag one of the corner handles outward to make the video slightly larger than the frame. Just a small increase is all you need. You do not want it to look jarring, you want it to feel like a smooth, intentional camera push. Watch the magic. Now hit play from the very beginning and watch what happens. The first clip plays at normal size, and then the moment it transitions into the second clip, the video suddenly appears bigger and closer, exactly like a professional camera zoom. It is clean, it is smooth, and it looks like you actually filmed it that way. Your viewers will never know it took you less than 2 minutes to pull off. Pro tip: want to take it even further. You can split the video into 3 sections and slightly increase the size on each one to create a gradual zoom that builds over time. The more subtle you keep each size increase, the more cinematic and professional the final result looks. And that is how you create a zoom effect in Canva like a total pro. Simple, fast, and incredibly effective. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit that like button and subscribe for more Canva tips and editing tricks every week. Drop a comment below showing me what you used this effect on. I would genuinely love to see it. See you in the next one.